Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to play and pause your Sony LinkBuds. So first of all, we're gonna need to check if they're connected to your iPhone. We're opening the case, we're taking them off the case, and see, now they are connected, so we can continue. So how it works, it's really interesting and easy. So the headphones have sensor right in front of them. So you just need to tap twice in front of your headphone and the song is playing, and the same twice to stop the song. And it works with the other one the same way. So twice in front of your headphone to play and twice to pause. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.